so today we're going to be learning about the powers of numbers and how you multiply and divide them. So how would you multiply these two numbers? Well, I'm going to show you. The first step is to make sure that the base numbers are the same and the base numbers are these numbers. They're always the bigger numbers. The second step is to add the exponents together, and the exponents are these numbers. The exponents do not have to be the same, so you can have and they don't have to be the same. Okay, so for the first step of this, you're going to add the exponents. So it's 4 and 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So you then have 4 to the power of 5. And this is the simplified form of the equation. And then what you're basically doing is multiplying 4 by itself 5 times. So you have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. And the answer is 1,024. Okay, so for the next one, you're going to do the same thing. So you're going to do 8, and then you're going to add the exponent. So it's 1 plus 3, and that equals 4. So you have 8 to the power of 4. Again, this is the simplified. And then all you're doing is multiplying 8 by itself 4 times. So the actual answer to this is 4,096. And the last one here. This would equal 2, and then you can add the exponent, so 3 plus 3. And that equals 6. So it's 2 to the power of 6. And then 2 to the power of 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And this equals 64. So to divide these powers, if you had 3 to the power of 9 over 3 to the power of 7. The first step is to make sure that the base numbers are the same. The base numbers must always stay the same. If you were to have 3 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 4, you'd never multiply these two numbers. You're only adding these numbers, the exponents. The second step is to subtract the exponents. So for this one, you'd have 2, and then you'd have 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 equals 1, so it's 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of 1 equals 2. So for the last step, we have practice, and you have 2 to the power of 6 over 2 to the power of 4. And then you subtract the exponents, so that's 6 minus 4, and 6 minus 4 is 2. So it's 2 to the power of 2, and then you're multiplying 2 by itself, and the answer is 4. For the next one, we have a combination of both the things we learned. So the first thing you're going to do is the multiplication. So it's 4 to the power of 2 plus 5 over 4 to the power of 3 plus 1. And that will give you 4 to the power of 7 over 4 to the power of 4. And then for division, you're going to subtract 7 minus 4. So you have 4 to the power of 7 minus 4. And that gives you 4 to the power of 3. And the answer to 4 to the power of 3 is 64. For the last practice question, as you can see, the base numbers are different. So therefore, we can't complete this. Thanks for watching.